So, in the last lesson, we touched base with inertia. Now let's move forward and study the concept in further detail. What we learned is that our body remains in a state of motion even after the car stops. Do you know that this concept was discovered by the scientist Galileo? He observed that it was easier to move or stop a light object than to stop a heavy object. For instance, it is easier for you to push a bicycle while it is very hard for you to push a car. So, you need to understand that the heavier the object is, the harder it is to move it or stop it from moving. Galileo's concept was further explained by Newton. Newton concluded that everything resists change in its current state, whether it is at rest or in motion. This property of the body is called inertia. Now let's perform an interesting experiment to understand inertia. Take a glass and cover it with a piece of cardboard. Now place a coin on the top of the cardboard. Flick the card horizontally with a jerk of your finger. Did you notice something? The coin didn't just slide away with the cardboard. Why do you think this happened? Yes, exactly, due to inertia. Instead of sliding with the cardboard, the coin fell into the glass. You can see a picture of a glass in front of you. The coin was initially at rest, but when we flicked the cardboard, the state of rest was disturbed. The coin resisted motion as it was at rest and fell due to its weight. Now let's take another example of inertia. Here, you can see a diagram on this side. Take a piece of paper and place a stack of coins at one of its ends. Now, what you need to do is pull out the paper suddenly from under the coins with a jerk. Do you think you can succeed in pulling the paper out without making the coins fall? Friends, the coins will remain in the same place due to inertia. Interesting, right? I hope these examples helped you in understanding the concept of inertia. Let's summarize this concept. The inertia of a body is its property due to which it resists any change in its state of rest or motion. That's all about inertia. We will discuss momentum in our next video.